Hello, people. Let's eat. It's time to eat. I'm with my mother. She's about to eat too. Look at that. And I have here chopstick practicing using chopsticks. And we have this pork humba. And
Asin.
rice. My mother had fish soup. And I just separated the fish from the soup. Let's eat. I will give her pork humba. I will give to her pork humba. I will try using chopsticks now this time. Ooh, I hope it's gonna be success. I have to be quiet according to my mother while eating because the bad spirit will gonna join eating with us. Believe.
Ano pa dali?
Ay,
Ayun yung tambok.
dili unod na.
Init.
Init gaya bago ko manaon. Ooh, I'm struggling using these chopsticks now. First bite with chopsticks. My mother touched my phone.
Ang tama niya.
Cellphone.
Uy. Ano, kukuha ko ng mga kamot. Ang gamok.
Yummy. Her fish soup is yummy.
Ah,
Because I just
kamusta
added
din?
this type of vegetable that smells good.
Tapos na akong hulog.
Ayaw ko lugar. Para tayo kabuhi.
Kuha daw.
Lick it lang at this. Thank you for watching.